Hi, I'm Maeve, and today I'm going to show you some interestingly figured woods. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any ideas of future videos you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching!
April showers in the month of May. The ground's still wet and the sky's still gray, but you're still shining. No cadences or chords to play, no melodies or words to say, but you're still singing, and it keeps me breathing. When I fall apart into a million pieces, when I don't know where to start, you put me back together. You put me back together again. Rise and the levee breaks, through your tear-filled eyes and your hands that shake, darling, I'll be steady when you're at the end of your tired rope, when you're feeling trapped and just need to go. Darling, I'll be ready when you fall apart into a million pieces, when you don't know where to start. I'll put you back together. Put you back together again. I'll put you back together. I'll put you back together again. When I fall apart into a million pieces, when I don't know where to start, when I forget where my peace is, when you fall apart into a million pieces, when you don't know where to start, put you back together. I'll put you back together again. You put me back together.